Welcome to my channel. TP-Link Wi-Fi Booster Setup for Beginners, 2026. Step 1. Unbox the TP-Link Wi-Fi Booster. Take the TP-Link extender out of the box and check all included accessories. Step 2. Plug it near your router. Insert the booster into a wall outlet close to your main Wi-Fi router. Step 3. Power on the device. Wait for the power LED light to become stable before starting setup. Step 4. Connect to TP-Link Wi-Fi. Open Wi-Fi settings on your phone or laptop and connect to the TP-Link extender network. Step 5. Open the TP-Link setup page. Launch a browser and type TP-Link repeater, net, or the IP address mentioned on the device. Step 6. Create admin login details. Set a new admin password to secure your TP-Link extender settings. Step 7. Choose your main Wi-Fi network. Select your home Wi-Fi network from the available list. Step 8. Enter your Wi-Fi password. Type the correct Wi-Fi password and continue the setup process. Step 9. Relocate the booster. After setup, move the extender halfway between the router and weak signal area. Step 10. Enjoy better Wi-Fi coverage. Test the internet speed and enjoy stronger Wi-Fi signal throughout your home. Thanks for watching.